Hi, it's me here. I am going to do it. We are making lasagna right now. If you can see, we got our tomatoes, everything. We got our tomatoes, garlic, that. We got our noodles, our famous noodles. We got our mozzarella. We got our ricotta. We got our Parmesan, we got our priceless flakes, we got our basil, we got our tomato paste, we got salt, and we got black pepper. We also got some tools, and we got the notebook to help us. Daddy's doing the meat right now, and so, yeah. Little shredder stuff. We got our bay leaves, our things are there, that. So we're good.